I use the cloud every day, just like you. It's where my photos live, where my work files are stored, pretty much my entire digital life. But here's the thing, when a service is free, there is always a catch. There's always a hidden cost somewhere. We're told technology is here to empower us, but I've always wondered, what if it's actually compromising our privacy in the process? That's why I built Nuvon, to rethink the trade-off completely. And it always starts with one simple but incredibly important question. Are the files you store, the emails you send, the photos you share being scanned, analyzed, and monetized? With a lot of big tech companies, the answer is yes. That's part of their business model. But for me, it's about a completely different philosophy. Most cloud providers give you a service in exchange for your data. I built Nuvon to do the opposite, to provide services specifically designed to protect your data. That's not just a slogan for me. It's the foundation of how I've built everything, from the ground up. Privacy by design at Nuvon rests on a few key pillars. First, we own our own infrastructure. We don't rent someone else's servers. Second, everything is hosted inside the EU, so your data is protected by some of the world's strongest privacy laws, GDPR. And here's the big one, no hidden data mining, no surveillance, and we will never upsell you based on your personal habits. These aren't just nice words, they're real commitments you can see in our terms of service. You own your content. We will never use your data for AI training. We are fully GDPR compliant and we don't sell, rent, or share your data for marketing. This is all about putting you back in control. So, what does that look like in practice? Let's look at what Nuvon actually offers. If you're technical, you can run your own private server in the cloud with our VPS. You can store huge amount of data with our S3 compliant storage. If you just want tools for everyday life, we've got file syncing, photo hosting, encrypted backups, everything you need. Nuvon Drive, for example, is your own private workspace. You can sync files across devices, share with colleagues, collaborate on projects, all without anyone looking over your shoulder and with the legal protections of being in the EU. Our pricing is simple. It's based on how much storage you need. 500 gigabytes is 10 euros a month. A full terabyte, 20 euros a month. No complicated tiers, no hidden fees. And every plan comes with 2 user accounts included, so small teams, business partners, or families can collaborate securely right away. Now, let me tell you the story behind Nuvon. It didn't start in a boardroom. It started as my side project by Cloud. I built it for my own clients because I wanted a fast, secure, private alternative to big tech. It grew because more people wanted in, and eventually it became an independent company. Those same core values from day one are still here. Total control over our hardware, transparency with our clients, designing for real people, not corporations, honest pricing, and personal human support. That's who we are. We've also teamed up with experts like Egoist, a digital transformation consultancy. Together, we help European businesses keep their data secure, compliant, and within the EU, a concept called data sovereignty. Because in the end, Nuvon is built for a specific kind of person, someone who cares about privacy, control, and truly owning their digital life. So here's a question for you. Are you ready to own your digital world?